Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about blazing a trail.
So, blazing a trail, give you a little bit of historical context. What it means to blaze a trail is to cut a new path. So this is something they used to say whenever they were cutting a trail through a wilderness of some kind. It was hairy and carry, and there's logs and you name it, and brush and stuff. And you come in and you start whacking those things out of the way to open up a road, right? To take and open up a highway. Well, the same thing you can do in business. You can blaze a trail that'll eventually be followed by other people. Give you a great example. We are the first blacksmithing channel on YouTube to really blaze the trail on opening up about our business, opening up fully about our finances and things like that, and encouraging people to start blacksmithing as a business. This is really not a big thing that's been done in blacksmithing as a whole, because it's always been kind of a taboo to take and try to mention what you make, or mention, what items are selling good for you, right? Because you're afraid the competition, right, will somehow get a leg up on you. So we are pioneering this. We are blazing a trail, and there's going to be other people that will hop on board because of this, and that shared learning is going to help a lot of people.
Yes, it will. So blazing a trail, a lot of times you're the first one going down that path, and that means, you don't have a lot of information to go off of. You don't have an example for you to go off of. Perhaps it's a new idea or a new product, and you're wanting it to put it out there. So when it's a new item like that, it a lot of times takes a lot of patience to wait, and it's got to percolate, and it takes time for people to become aware that they even need that type of item. Yeah,
but here's a great news for you, especially if you're doing in business. So say you're blazing a trail, you're heading west to California. This is, 1804 or something, right? And you're heading west, you're on the wagon train, right? And you're just blazing a trail, okay? If you're the first to do it, well, guess what? You get all the riches of California, back in the day when California was a nice place to live. Hashtag not sponsored by California to say this. But if you look at it, you were the first one there. You got to see the coast, for the first time. You got all the wealth and the things that came from that. But it took you months and months of travel and wandering through that wilderness. Business, the items that you sell, the items and products that you want to blaze the trail and make the way for, they will take that same time. They will take months and months of travel to get to your destination. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.